Hey, it's Steve here from A470RC Soaring, and back up on the hill today to do a bit of slope soaring. And well, the wind's picked up. I've already had a fly with a bird of time. When I got here, well, the forecast was for minimal wind, and when I got here there wasn't an awful lot of wind at all. But since I've been up in the air, the wind has really picked up now. So and I've had a bit of a boo-boo with the bird of time. So watch the flight and the landing, and I'll see you in a few minutes. Right? Okay, I'm gonna launch. Whoa! Ah, the hinge is broke on the rudder. The elevator seems okay. Ah, see a problem here. Okay. Ah.
I was was just about to say you're a very, very lucky man.
The landing was fine, it was just that flip over.
Yeah, I know. Mate. Do you want some Kevlar sheet?
I don't know, I'll see.
Oh god, she's very squidgy then, isn't it?
Everything else seems okay, it's just the rudder hinge is broken on the
Mylar hinge, is it? Or
on the rudder.
Okay.
But then there's this, I know that it's squidgy here, but you can see how it's there.
Yeah. Oh god, there's no wonder that went, buddy.
Yeah. Okay, oh well, there we go.
That's similar to how my Vector broke.
Was it?
Yeah. And you can repair that from the inside, I guarantee.
Oh, okay.
Because the reason I did mine on the outside is because there's no pockets in that, so you can put it
Right.
on the inside.
Yeah.
Probably want to speak to Nigel because he's the composite man, isn't he?
It seems to be. Oh, I
Similar
see.
sort of thing.
Yeah.
So what I did was I did try to carbon cloth.
Yeah.
And at the time I painted the weave to come apart. To
Right.
hold on, do it again. So I painted it to carbon cloth. So I put some medium cyano in it to stiffen the repair. Then got my Dremel and smoothed out the splintery broken.
Right, yeah.
And then, as you say, I had that big section. That section then had a complete key. Painted that section, say that, with the epoxy.
Yeah.
With a brush. Wrapped the Kevlar cloth around it.
Yeah.
And then painted on top again.
Okay.
And just had to do this, get a carry liquid with a tennis racket handle.
Okay.
So that will squeeze in the excess.
Oh.
So yeah,
Okay.
right there, you do that on the inside and then do very gentle repairs and then from the top.
Give it a go.
I know Super Nigel, he seems to be the
Yeah. The Kevlar King, or the composite king.
the composite king.
Yeah. Excellent. So there we go, you win some, you lose some. The landing of the Bird of Time was good. It's just unfortunate that the wind got underneath the wings, it flipped over, and it's broken one of the rudder hinges, but it's also cracked the fuselage behind the wings, so I'm going to have to do a bit of a repair there. But it should be okay. Get that up and flying for the spring, I think. And a few modelling events that'll be coming up. So anyway, look, these things happen, isn't it? We fly them, we break them, we repair them, we fly them again. That's how it goes. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time. Until then, happy flying.